So today we'll see a simple problem from the chapter factorization. I have taken this problem which corresponds to problem number 20 in VCube workbooks. So those who have purchased the workbooks will find that this problem corresponds to problem number 20. So the problem is ax minus bx plus a squared minus ab. So whenever you get problems of such type where it has 4 terms, right, 1, 2, 3 and 4, we employ the method of factorization by grouping. Now how do we do this? The first thing that you have to do is to group. That's why it's called factorization by grouping. So we group the first 2 terms and then we group the last 2 terms. So we group ax minus bx and a squared minus ab. Then what we have to do is we have to identify the common factor in these 2 terms and the common factor in these 2 terms. So what do you mean by common factor? Common factor means that variable or expression which is common in this and this term, right? So it's very obvious that in this term x is the common term. So we take out x and open the bracket, write whatever is remaining. So in ax, when you remove x, a remains, this minus carries over here, and in bx, when you remove x, what remains is b. So here when you take out x, you get x into a minus b. This plus is carried over here. Again in this term we find that a is common. So open the bracket and write what is remaining. In a squared, a is removed. So what remains is a, and in ab, b remains. So this expression reduces to x into a minus b plus a into a minus b. So further, if you see in this expression and in this expression, you find a minus b is common once again. So again we take out a minus b as common. From this term we take out a minus b common and open the bracket. So when you remove a minus b, what remains here is x. So that x I have put here. This plus carries over, and in this term when you take out a minus b, what remains is a. So when you remove a minus b as common factor from these expressions, you get a minus b into x plus a. There is another way of doing it. You can group ax plus a squared and bx minus ab, and then follow the same procedure of taking out the common factor. In whichever way you do, you have to get the same answer. Okay, and your final answer should always be a product of 2 expressions, 2 or more expressions. So this expression which has a plus and a minus between them should be expressed as a product of 2 or more expression. So this is the factorized form of this particular expression, and this is called as factorization by grouping. Now we will go to another problem of a similar kind but with a little difference. This problem corresponds to problem number 45 in the VCube workbooks, and the problem is a squared minus b minus 8 into a minus 8b. So when you get a problem like this, the first thing that is best to do is you bring a to this side and rewrite it as a squared minus a into b minus 8 minus ab, because when you open the bracket you will forget this either minus sign or a and you will mess up with the signs. So it's always better to rewrite as this form, in this form, right? So once you have expressed this as above, what you can do is open up the bracket, right? So a squared minus a into plus b gives you minus ab, minus into minus gives you a plus, and a into 8 becomes 8a. Many students make a mistake in these signs, so be careful with the signs. First multiply the signs and then the numbers and variables, then minus 8b, right? So we have got this expression after removing the bracket. Now going on to the next step, you can very clearly see that here a is common and here 8 is common. So here I remove a. When I remove a, what remains is a minus b, and here when I remove 8, what remains is a minus b. please be very careful of the sign here. It should be plus, because when you multiply 8 and a, you should get back plus 8a, and when you multiply 8 and minus b, you should get back minus 8b. So this sign should be put properly, correct? So again we can find that in these two expressions a minus b is common. So we remove a minus b common, right? We have removed a minus b common. What remains is a plus a. So the factorized form of this expression is a minus b into a plus a. So for more problems and workbook details, please log on to v3tutor.wordpress.com and start solving your problems.